Part 3. Let us practically understand what is Duty Drawback Scheme. How to check DBK rates. Visit the official CBIC Drawback Schedule page on www.cbic.gov.in. From the main menu, click on Customs, then choose Drawback, and under that, select All Industry Rate Notifications. Download the latest PDF and search for your HS code. Match your item description exactly to avoid mismatch at scroll stage. How to check DBK status or scrolls. Log in to www.icegate.gov.in. Go to SB DBK query, then select port, shipping bill number and date. You'll see DBK sanction amount, scroll number, and status. Alternatively, use the scroll status feature to download scroll reports and payment references. Shipping bill tagging and BRC importance. When filing your shipping bill, make sure it is tagged as with drawback using correct DBK serial number. Also, BRC Bank Realization Certificate proves that export proceeds have been received in foreign exchange, without which DBK is not released. Follow and subscribe for Part 4.